You ready? Okay, hold on. What?
So fast.
Faster?
Yeah. Faster.
What?
Faster.
I can't hear you.
Faster.
You-
It's going to make me fall.
It's gonna make you dizzy.
Yeah, it's going to make me dizzy. Okay, go slow.
Okay. Here, give me your hand.
Is it busy?
Hurry up, run.
What?
Are you dizzy?
No,
No?
I'm still just a little bit. Am I flower going to get dizzy too?
Yeah, you're gonna make your flower dizzy? You wanna spin me?
Sure.
Okay, I'll get on.
Sit down on the back.
I'm too big to sit. I hold on.
That's fast.
Yeah, you're running fast.
Hold on my flower.
It won't go nowhere. You're getting daddy dizzy.
Are you good?
Daddy's dizzy.
You're busy and I'm busy.
I'm dizzy. You gonna make me fall?
Yeah. Are you want to go faster?
You are going fast.
The one's making me fast.
Yeah.
Wait. I can.
You're making me dizzy, babe. Alright, let me stop. Let me get off.
Here.
Hold on, daddy's dizzy. Stop. Stop. Hunter, stop.
May I go fast on my flower? I'm going to make her busy too. What? Is it over?
Yeah.
What? I'm going to go fast.
Hey, you know what?
What?
You're beautiful. Oh, you okay? I told you you'd fall down like that.
I told you.
It's alright.
I told you don't go fast.
Be careful, you're gonna fall down. You got a tan today and yesterday.
What? Is it over?
Don't put your feet down, you're gonna get ouchy.
Is it over?
Yeah.
Now it's your turn.
No.
No.
Because you're gonna make me. Alright, I go there one more time.
I'm going to go faster.
You already are going fast.
I'm faster.
You're super fast.
My arms are big.
Yeah, your arms are big.
I jump.
You try jumping?
I want to go again.
Let me see your arms. Come here, stop. You almost fell down, be careful. You got a suntan today?
Which one?
Hey, you're beautiful.
Yes, slow or fast. I'm on jump. It's over.
Look at me.
Cheese. No, I want you. I can't go no fast. Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy. I don't know why people tell you I'm busy. Who tells you I'm busy?
Moya. It's over.
Hey, I'm never too busy for you. I love you.
I'm pretty.
No.
I'm pretty. I'm pretty.
Oh, stop, Hunter. I'm busy.
What?
I almost fell. You okay?
Not good.
What?
Hey, why you stop my flower?
So you don't get hit by it. Look, your arm is getting dark like mine.
Why isn't it dark like mine?